Alright, welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel for the VAMM Kickoff Bike Night. Run that intro. Check our legs out. Woo! Oops, kickstand. Welcome to Blue Bike Doors channel. I don't know what I'm doing. Move your big butt.
Dude, that is pretty. Reminds me, I had a Vulcan Caro, and it was the same pearl white with green and black trim on it. Kind of matches my jacket for some odd reason. Yeah, that is a sweet color. And no clearance issues between the tour pack and the saddlebag lid.
I mean, that's great.
I was reading about that, right?
I haven't scraped anything on it. I've got loads. It's set higher.
Nice.
I wish I could say that.
Oh, this.
Yeah. Yeah. He scrapes everything. He's got little magnesium dealies on his floorboards.
Yeah.
And they send out sparks all the time.
Oh, it's good.
Oh, yeah, man.
He has fun leaning it.
I'm going to have to get some.
I have fun going in a straight line. It's slow.
GoPro, stop recording. GoPro, stop recording.
I'm like, I got the worst burn line right now.
GoPro, stop recording. Record yourself in the mirror, and it's just like, just an infinite thing.
And stickers, shirts, and recording stuff.
Maybe next year they have a guy that could sing.
At least it's not 10, right?
Yeah.
Hey, you guys had that meeting.
Everybody got blessed.
I didn't know about bacon.
You're paying attention, brother. I appreciate it.
Lamb quite often, even beef once in a while. Let's see.
There's a, he don't make much.
I haven't done this in a while, so maybe y'all want to be screwed up.
He did a buzz. Oh, look, something did a something buzz. He did built a buzz.
You never Miss Kitty, have you ever felt on
You know, living in the South, go down to BML lands and all. He kind of recorded him going to it took him like 3 hours. Alright, well I guess back now there goes Jersey Nick. No, Jersey Nick. He ain't got no motor. I forgot I was recording right there. I was jamming that, everybody listening to the radio. Anyway, you won't get to see that anyway, so don't worry about that. This is the end of VAMM Bike Night. I know I didn't show y'all much, but whatever. I'm a lousy YouTuber, so you can go check out that video there and that one there. Hit the subscribe button over here and give me a thumbs up. Now I'm going back to listen to my radio. Or my iPod. iTunes.